and away we set off, secretly scared we'd get lost. Up in the clouds, over the town, beyond the wall. Some of us knew we might fall under the weight of it all. And though we'd been warned of the oncoming storms, still we stood tall. So from the moonlight straight to the sunrise, this will be our time to free fall and nosedive out of the black night into the bright light, with the whole world in our sight, like a miniature paradise. My shadow is cast on the ground, but I'm flying too fast to look down at the rooftops and trees and my family waving at me. So from the moonlight straight to the sunrise, this will be our time to free fall and nosedive out of the black night into the bright light, with the whole world in our sight, like a miniature paradise.